Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Telemundo app not working. If Telemundo is not working on your PC, you can try these fixes in order. Firstly, you need to refresh the browser. Simply go to this icon in the top, reload this page, and click over here when the browser is refreshed. Here you can also open to this new tab if it's not working and type down telemundo.com again and enter it. And simply type down telemundo.com again and enter it, or you can also try a different browser. You can go to this Edge as well or any other browser that you prefer. And browser related issues are often resolved by the switching between Chrome and other browser as well. And make sure you have disabled ad blockers and privacy extensions if you have turned on. Extensions such as ad blockers can interfere with video playback and sign in processes. Temporarily disable them and test again. And that is it. This is how you can fix the Telemundo app not working. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.